Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new, welcome back if you're not. If you are a lover of all things beauty, handbags, luxury, and fashion, you've come to the right place. My name is Cece and welcome. Today we're gonna get into my long-awaited video. This actually has been requested, believe it or not, and it's actually been quite some time since I filmed a what's in my bag. I really do enjoy what's in my bag videos. In fact, when I am considering purchasing a high-ticket luxury designer item or handbag in particular, it's what really inspired me to get started on YouTube is watching other content creators what's in my bag videos and handbag reviews. It's part of the research we all do before deciding whether or not to invest. They are pricey and it is always helpful to know what truly fits inside a bag, have a thorough in-depth review, and perhaps a 6-month to 12-month update. Now, we are coming up on 1 year almost since purchasing my beautiful baby Birkin. This is the Birkin 30 in Togo leather with palladium hardware. I opted for the Birkin 30 simply because I wanted a longer length from the arm strap so that I could very comfortably fit it in the crook of my arm. And I think as a busy corporate mom, it's helpful to have a bag that fits everything and the kitchen sink. Today, we're going to get into what fits inside my bag as well as what's actually in my bag. And I'll use the opportunity to give you an update on how this bag has been in terms of wear and tear, practicality, usefulness, and what I love about this bag. I did just want to take a brief moment to mention that today's video is sponsored by Dress Up Your Purse by Melody Cecile herself, who was kind enough to gift me this beautiful item, which I cannot wait to wear on vacation. I figured we could go ahead and unbox it together. It's the Nano Summer Pink, and my gosh, if you haven't tried Dress Up Your Purse, I highly recommend that you stop what you're doing and go check out her website. I've included the link down below along with a discount code that you can use to save money off of your purchase. The quality of her items is just superb. It's comparable, if not better, than some high-ticket, high-end designer items. Now, she does package everything so beautifully, and again, she was kind enough to gift me this item. If you're thinking about investing in a handbag but don't want to spend the money and want the look and feel of some of those higher-end designer items but still want the good quality and real leather behind it, Dress Up Your Purse is where it's at. So let's go ahead and unbox this item together. I'm so excited. This is her Boston bag in the summer pink color. I'm absolutely obsessed. This is my first time unboxing her. I have actually purchased from Dress Up Your Purse before, yes, with my hard-earned money. I've purchased bag straps and converter kits for my Louis Vuitton pieces, but she does have these cute little handbag items that are reminiscent of some of the higher ticket designer versions, but at a much lower cost without having to compromise the quality. She makes everything by hand and no leather is left unwanted or unused. She does use her leftover leather to make things like keychains and other small leather goods, which I will showcase in today's video as well. So this is supposed to be reminiscent of the Nano Speedy, which you all know I love. All of the zippers come with stickers on it, so you don't have to worry about the hardware scratching. And she does have the bag stuffed with tissue paper. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm really looking forward to wearing this bag because sometimes you want to bring your bags on vacation, but you may not necessarily want to bring some of your high ticket items. Having a similar version that is much lower cost is so helpful. This one does come with a bag strap. You can wear this piece crossbody and it's all genuine, real leather. I mean, the quality is just phenomenal. She's not paying me to say this, guys. I'm being completely honest with you. So let's take off the stickers so that we can actually put the bag strap on, just like the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy bag strap, where they come in 2 separate pieces, like so. And then you can clip it on like a belt. My gosh, the leather on this, oh my God, the smell. I wish you guys could smell this leather. The smell of like fresh, delicious, divine, real, genuine leather is just so good. And I'll include the link to this exact item down below for you guys. The inside feels like suede lining interior. It does have a zipper pocket on the interior there, so you can add a couple of items into the zipped pocket area. It is embossed on a piece of leather with Melody Cecile. She's the owner of the boutique, and she's just so talented and just a kind, genuine, lovely, lovely person. I've gotten to know her a little personally over the years. Such a kind-hearted soul, just a kind human. I absolutely adore her. All right, now that the stickers are all off, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. So she's got the Melody Cecile there on the zipper. She's got the 2 metal tabs on the side so you can attach the bag strap there and there. And again, you can wear this as a top handle. What I love about this is, just like the Louis Vuitton, it is a swivel hardware, so you don't have to worry about getting the strap on the right way. Oh my gosh, look how perfect. And it's got the second tab there to secure the strap. Again, everything is genuine leather. There's no compromising. There's no plastic. There's no fake leather. This is just pure perfection and quality. Look how cute this little piece is. Let me know if you guys would like a comparison and an in-depth review of this dress up your purse bag versus my Nano Speedy. I'm happy to do that comparison for you guys and hold them up side by side. But I did want to just take a moment to share this with you because she is just adorable. Look how cute she is. For reference, you can see the size. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video, which is going through what's inside my lovely Birkin 30. This again is the Birkin in gold color with the togo leather in the palladium hardware in the 30 size. I do have my Pegasus here. I'll flash up the color of the Pegasus, but it does have that beautiful pink that Hermès is known for. I'll give you guys a close-up. Got my twilly on in the back. It's a little crooked. I just haven't fixed it. I do have to fix it though. I think over time, because it like shifted from wearing it and not taking it off. All right, now this baby packs a punch. She fits so much. That's why I opted for the 30, so that I could fit everything that I need and want inside this bag. Supposedly a 13-inch laptop does fit in here, but I do have a ThinkPad, so let's try that. So I'm gonna try and fit my ThinkPad in here. Now it doesn't fit because I feel like I could maneuver it if I really wanted. Yes, I can get it in here, and I'll show you that in just a minute. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, my car keys, of course, with another dress up your purse key charm. Remember I mentioned she doesn't let any leather go to waste. She does use any leftover leather to make these beautiful little key charms. This is a heart-shaped key charm in the same color pink, and a little thing for like bits and bobs. I keep my cash in here. Ladies, cash is dirty. You don't want cash all over your bag next to your makeup or your hand cream or your lip products. So I like to keep and stash away my cash separately, so I have it in here. This also comes with a little key ring holder, so if you wanted to attach it to your keys, you could do that. Let's take this sticker off. So that's it there. I'm gonna zip it up, and my keys, and this is just like a little keychain my son gave me. It says, "Dear Mom, Happy Mother's Day. You are the best. I love you. Love, my little guy." So cute. So that's something he made at school. And I love that because I tend to lose my keys quite often, and my phone. I am like notorious for losing my keys and my phone. So it's helpful to have a big attachment so that I can find them immediately in my bag and I don't have to go searching. Next, I have my sunglasses. These are the Celine sunglasses I purchased in Paris. And I love this little case that it comes with because you can actually wear it if you'd like as a crossbody. These are in the rose gold color frame, not the regular gold, but the rose gold. I absolutely love these, and these are like my summer staple. I interchange them with a few others that I am loving for the summer, but these are definitely one of my top faves. And I have my Hermès agenda. So I like to have this because if I'm feeling inspired, or I want to take a note about something, or I have an idea for an upcoming video, have this with me. If I need to take a note down for work or anything of that nature, I have this with me, and I can just quickly, you know, go ahead and jot down my notes. It is filled with the Hermès notebook paper, which you can purchase packs for. It buttons inside the leather agenda cover, but I love this. I tend to bring this one with me on the go, whereas my Louis Vuitton agenda I leave at home, and I use my Louis Vuitton agenda more frequently at home. That's like my desk agenda. Then I have my Chanel pouch. This came with my Chanel 22, so it's like the insert, and I just have tons of makeup in here. I have my Laura Mercier blush, compact mirror there. This is in the color Strawberry. This is a beautiful color. It's so great. I have my Creme de la Mer Moisturizing Cream. This was a sample that I received at their counter when I was making my purchase. I have my Clinique All About Eyes Serum. I love this. I actually have this linked in my Shop My, so you can purchase most of the makeup items that I have in my Shop My. My favorite lip liner, which is by Makeup Forever, and this is in Wherever Walnut. It's like the perfect lip liner. This complements everyone's skin tone. This is my absolute favorite lipstick. It's by Buxom and it's in the color Heartthrob, but they don't make it anymore. They have like a new variation, but it's not the same. Not the same. Lip gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the color Fussy. And I just think this is such a pretty pink. Look at that pink. How pretty is that? I need like a fan when I'm filming. It's so hot in here. And then I have more lip products. This is the Morphe lip liner in the color Soulmate, and it's a gel lip liner, also great. And then I have my Rhode Peptide Lip Tint. This is in the color Ribbon. Actually one of my favorite colors. It's a very cute like ballet pink, very reminiscent of the actual case itself. Now the formula itself can be a little translucent yet sticky, but I think when you pair this over a lip liner or a lipstick, it looks fabulous. So that's my Chanel case with all those goodies there. Then I have my card holder from Bottega with just some of my cards there. Pen. These are my favorite pens. This is the Sarasa Zebra Point 5, so it's nice and thin, which I love a thin ballpoint pen. I have my Louis Vuitton cosmetics case with some more items. I have the Necessaire hand cream. As you can see, I've put that to good use. I have another Morphe Soulmate Velvet Lip Mousse. This is a MAC lip gloss, Nymphette. It's like almost done. I should probably toss this. Another Rhode Lip Peptide Lip Tint in the color Toast. This color, you know, I like the ribbon better personally. I think the Toast doesn't give off the same color as it does the case itself. This is a MAC lipstick in the color Warm Teddy. It's a really pretty like neutral brownish pink. Hair clip. And this is Honest Beauty Tinted Lip Balm. I love this for the beach. This is in the color Summer Melon. It's perfect for the beach. It just adds the right amount of moisture and a little hint of glow. Really pretty. It protects your lips and keeps them from drying out when you're at the beach or the pool. So it's a great color. And then of course I have my bag insert. This bag insert is from Degaz, which I will link down below. I typically opt for a bag insert that's in a different color so that it really pops and differentiates from the interior of the bag. But in this case, I opted for one that matched the interior color of the bag. What I love about a bag insert is that it has all these different compartments and pockets. So you can throw like keys into one, your card holder, a pen, a lip liner, a lipstick, all over the sides. It even has exterior pockets as well. So you can put in extra items on the exterior side of it, and it fits perfectly inside your bag. I also have a link with Zumani, which I will include. And then this is the inside of my bag. It also has an interior open pocket on the front and an interior zip pocket on the back. I don't think I've ever opened this pocket, but it's there. And that is my Birkin. I'm going to try and fit laptop in, and yes, the laptop fits. It does stick out a little bit on the top, but it fits, and that makes this the perfect work bag for that reason. So if I do need to bring my laptop with me somewhere, I can stick it in my bag and go. What I also love about this bag is I can bring my camera items with me. So if I'm filming or vlogging, my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or even a larger camera, it can fit in here without any issue. The update. This bag has been a workhorse. The only negative thing I will say is it does get quite heavy. So the more items you add to it and put inside, it's gonna get heavier, of course. But otherwise, it is a wonderful bag. It's a great investment piece. It has the bag feet at the bottom, so it protects the leather. It's a great work, mom, everyday, every girl bag. I do have a Birkin 25 on my wish list. Sorry about the dogs in the background. Just because I would like a smaller version of this bag. I think it adds a little pop of something casual and fun. I am so happy I started with the 30 just because for my lifestyle it works, but I do adore the Birkin 25. I think she's so cute and I think she's just a perfect size and a fun size, and that's the reason why I have it on my wish list. I would love to have different variations of the Birkin. In fact, I may even consider a vintage Birkin in a 35 or even a 40. Right now, I'm just happy to have this one in my collection, and I am at purse piece. I couldn't believe that I was offered this bag, and it'll be a year in August, so I'm thrilled. That's it. That's what fits inside my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell as well so you never miss another video. And if you enjoyed this video, I'm going to leave another 2 additional videos for you here. And until next time, thanks guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.